Creating a table of contents can instantly elevate the professionalism of your Microsoft Word assignment. It is a simple yet powerful feature that helps organize your work and makes it easier for readers to navigate. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a table of contents, saving your time and reducing frustrations. Many students struggle with manually creating a table of contents. It is easy to get confused and formatting errors can be a real pain. I have been there too, spending hours trying to get everything right only to have it look messy and unprofessional. Manually updating page numbers and section titles can be tedious and time consuming. And let us not forget the stress of dealing with formatting issues that just won't go away. It is a struggle that can be easily avoided with the right know-how. Right, let's get started and see how to do it, okay? You should be on the home ribbon or on the home menu on your Microsoft Word application. Then you go to the style group, right? Then after having gone there, identify the headings on your assignment, okay? I'm gonna scroll here so that I can be able to identify all the headings that are available here. As you can see, I have the first one here. This is the first heading there. I'm going to click and drag to the right to highlight and make sure that on my keyboard I press Control and don't leave it until you shall have completed to highlight all the headings on your assignment. Okay, right, you go to the group there, choose the type of heading that you want. Let me go to this one, the second one. Then I'm gonna format it the way I want it to be. I want it to be the font size 16 is fine. Then I'm going to change the color of the font. Let me make it black. All right, then I scroll down to identify the other headings that are here. Click and drag to the right. Remember, I said you should be holding your Control key on your keyboard. All right, let me highlight all the headings, then I'll format after I shall have highlighted all of them. I'm scrolling down so that I can be able to highlight all the headings. I'm going to the next one. This is the next one. Again, I'm doing what I've done on the previous one, which is to highlight by means of clicking on it and drag to the right. Okay, again I'm going further down to identify the next coming heading. This is the next one. Right, let's move. Then we have the last one, which is the conclusion. Okay, so all of them are now highlighted. Now I'm gonna go to the font group just to format all the headings. Okay, I said they are bold, it's fine. I want them to be black. Let me choose black. All right, the font size, let me say now I just want them to be 12. Okay, font size 12. All right, what else can I change? I think that's fine so far. Right, so I've chosen title 2. Okay, title 2, remember, or the heading 2. All right, then from there, what do you do to create your table of content? You have now to go to the space where you would want the table of content to appear. Okay, I want it to appear here. I'm going to put my cursor there. Then go to the reference group on your menu bar on top, click on it. All right, so then what is it that you want to do now? You want to add the table of content. You're going to go to table of content, click on the drop down menu so that you can choose the type of table of content that you want. You have the list of the table of contents here. Right, let me go for automatic table 2. Okay, the table of content, which is number 2 here. I'm clicking on it. All right, let's look at what it has created. You can see now I have the table of content which shows the headings that are on my assignment, starting from the first heading to the last one, which is the conclusion. So basically, this is how you create a table of content in terms of your Word document, because after you have done in this way, your work is going to look professional and much more presentable, even for the reader to be able to navigate through when he or she is reading your work. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you think this video is helpful for you. Bye bye.